Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to #Thrifty Thursday and welcome to my channel. I have a few goodies to show you today, but this is going to be a quick video. I just went to One Place, and so yeah, this is an open collab hosted by me, and you just use the #Thrifty Thursday in your title. Post a video on Thursday of your thrifty goodies, and it can be whatever, any kind of thrifty goodies from everywhere, anywhere, everywhere and anywhere, whatever you consider thrifty. And just let me know, and I can add you to my Google Doc participant list, which is in my description box with all clickable links, so people can look at that and click, or they can search the #Thrifty Thursday. So this past week I went to Pop Shelf, and I know I showed you one other video probably about a month ago where I went to Pop Shelf, and it's a new little store here in my town that is really cute, and it's a small, smallish store in a strip of little strip shopping center here, and it's just new and clean and beautiful. And when you go in there, it's a really fun place to go and look around, and they have some good deals, and they have a clearance section too. So yeah, if you haven't seen it or heard of it, maybe you don't have it in your town. I think it's a rather new kind of store. I hadn't heard of it before really it came here. And then I also started seeing commercials on, where do I see commercials on Prime? If you watch Prime videos, I see commercials on Prime, and I see commercials on YouTube. So anyway, I got all $1 items this week. This time I kind of just, that's what I go for, the $1 or maybe $2. It has to be really good if I'm going to spend $2 on it, but $1 is an awesome deal, I think, because now you know that the Dollar Trees are $1.25, so you can't get your dollar things at Dollar Tree anymore. But at Pop Shelf, they do have quite a few dollar things. So this is what I got. I picked up 2 of these little bags, or I guess little bags, of foam stickers, and these were both. I looked around the whole store. They have all the seasonal type sections. They had some clearance Halloween. They had Thanksgiving still because it's not Thanksgiving yet, but they had that all that out. They have a good size craft section. They have the clearance, like I said, and and they had Christmas stuff out too. And then they have all other odds and ends that they sell there. Really nice markers and household goods. They really have a lot in that little store. A great place for probably maybe some gifts. It would be nice to see if they have after Black Friday sale. It would be nice to see if they do. I might have to go by there. But so these are little foam stickers. I'll just show you one as an example, but they're 2 different packs, both Thanksgiving related, but they both had different things in them. I think I might have mixed them up now because I used them a little bit the other day, and I already opened them because I wanted to use them for one of my crafts, and you'll see them in one of my videos. Or you probably, on Monday I used them on my mini moo cards. If you didn't see that video, go back to Monday this past week and you'll see my mini moo cards where I used a couple of these. But see, they're little foam stickers, and they're not very, they almost look like just stickers because they're so thin. They're not like really thick foam stickers. I believe I've seen, maybe at Dollar Tree they have, and I have bought some of the thicker foam stickers, and these are really thin. So I think that's really nice. I like that. It's more like just a sticker instead of worried about the foam being too thick or bulky. So I had got 2 of those $1 each. Everything I got was $1. I got 2 of those. These were in the Christmas section. They had, I'm trying to think if they had another color. I don't think they did. But anyway, I thought that was a really good deal for $1. 3 yards on each of these. And it's a color I think I'll use. I mean, I can use this in for Christmas or Valentine's Day or whenever I need a little bit of red pom-pom, right? In a colorful little book, little golden book journal or something, So, and I love pom-pom. So for $1, I thought that was, a deal I couldn't pass up. And then all of these were in the Thanksgiving section. I want to go back because they had a ton of this ribbon. Tons. And I want to go back after Thanksgiving because I had it in the Thanksgiving section. I want to see if it goes on clearance. These were $1 each, and they have, this has 5 yards on it. That's I think that's more than any of the Dollar Tree ribbons. You know, I think they have less than 5 yards, like 3 yards or whatever it is. Maybe a little over, maybe a little less. But here's this one, a kind of a sheer yellowish or golden colored, light golden colored ribbon. I didn't have anything like any of these, so I just thought that was really pretty. And I kind of have been, you know, I have quite a bit of ribbon. You know, for me, it's plenty. I don't need any more, but I don't have a lot of thin ribbon, you know, like this way, the width. And I thought I like this for tags. It's really nice to have a little thin ribbon to put through there, a pretty little ribbon that'll fit through that hole, tie up nicely. So that's kind of why I got these. This one is, I'm going to tell you how many yards. This one's 3 yards. See, it's a smaller thing. So, but it's a pretty color. It's kind of a, let me see. It's kind of a, it's a kind of a dark red, or maybe almost a brick red. If you can see that, you can probably see that there. It's kind of a brick red or a dark red, so I like that. It's not the bright red. I have a bright red, and I thought this would be a good addition also for tags. And in this one, I love these. They're thin. You know, the width is thin again, and it's this kind of gingham ribbon. You know, I couldn't pass that up, right? Yellow gingham ribbon. That all of these can be used year round, even though they were in the Thanksgiving section. So, and it's a fabric. This is fabric. This feels like fabric. Let's see what it's called. Let me see what it's called. Fabric ribbon. No, it doesn't say. It just says gingham. Oh, it says orange here. It is 5 yards again. Yeah, this says satin ribbon, that red brick one, and that other. This says. Oh, this is wired sheer ribbon. Is it? It didn't feel wired. Hold on, let me look at that again. I guess maybe does it stay if you put it in a certain way? That is not wired. I don't know why that says wired. I don't believe that's wired. I don't feel a wire, and it's got a little bit of a you know, an outer kind of border there or whatever, but that is not. I don't know why it says wired. Maybe they, I have no idea. If there's a wire in there, I can't tell. Okay, yeah, because you know, I don't know if I would have bought it if I thought there was a wire in there. So, yeah, I don't see how that's wired. Anyway, back to the ribbon. And this is this brown? Let me see if it says the color. Chocolate. This is made in Germany. Gingham ribbon. Anyway, I like this color. It's real kind of homespun. It's gingham and it's kind of homespun looking, this color here. Or farmhouse. Well, it's a big piece of tape. Yeah, so there we go. So cute. I love it. And it's, again, that kind of fabric feeling ribbon. So, yeah, awesome. I love it. So, not that I need any more, but if it was on like clearance for 50 cents for 5 yards of, that's, you know, better than probably lower than they would charge at a thrift store. So the other things I got, now they had a couple different, they had snowmen, these felt stickers for $1. There's 5 on here. And yes, I could make these, but for $1 to save me some time and, you know, not having to cut these out. And they're perfect, you know, mine might not come out as perfect. And, you know, I have green felt. I have actually some red felt. I don't have any burgundy, so it would probably cost me 50 cents or $1 to get a sheet of the burgundy. I do have the bling, but just sometimes, you know, for $1, I thought it was a good deal, and they're already made for me and ready to go, and I can have some fun with those. And then these two are called confetti, also from the Thanksgiving section of the store, and they're 2 different colors of, this one has leaves, like fall leaves, 2 different kind of fall leaves, and on the bottom here is pumpkins, and they're kind of, you know, shiny like sequins or whatever, but it's called confetti. But I thought these would be fun to use in a shaker. they're big, but I would make a bigger, you know, tag or shaker card or something and put some of these in there. I thought that would be fun. And I might not get to use them till next year since it's already only like a week or so before Thanksgiving. But I didn't know if they would have them after Thanksgiving, like on clearance or something. I didn't know if there'd be any left. So I wanted to go ahead and pick up a couple of these. And there's a bunch in here. It doesn't say how many are in here, but if you can see, the little package are kind of pretty full of these. So that's a lot of, this one actually has this one has those leaves, and this one has the gold leaves. These are acorns here in like bronze color, and these are also kind of a reddish, almost a reddish rust colored type of leaf. Are there some in here? It might be that same color there, but anyway, plenty for me to have fun with whenever I decide to use them. If I don't use them this year, I'll put them away for next year. So yeah, just something different that I hadn't seen and cheaper than Dollar Tree, so couldn't pass up that deal, right? So that's it, everything I got at Pop Shelf. And I know someone asked me, you know, what is Pop Shelf? What are you saying? Last time I did a Pop Shelf video, and it's P-O-P shelf, like shelf on a wall. So it's 2 words, Pop Shelf. You can look online, see if they have a website. They might, I don't remember, because I have the store. It's very close to me. It's like 10 minutes from my house. So, you know, I can pop over there. It's right down 1 minute or 2 minutes from Walmart. So I go to Walmart on Saturday, and if I want to go by here, I can just swing by there on my way home. But I'm only letting myself go here once a month because I don't want to get out of control. I don't, you know, need anything, but I want to give it a month in between. Then some stuff will be put on clearance, right? So I'm really going in there to check out the clearance and the new, whatever new items, because I'm sure they get new items in every month. So anyway, I'll let you know about my future Pop Shelf deals, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day and a great Thrifty Thursday.